Did you place an order on Instacart but change your mind? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through how to cancel an Instacart order and get a refund step by step. So let's get started. First, it's important to know when you can cancel your order. You can cancel an Instacart order at different stages of the process. Before your order is processed, while your shopper is shopping, and after your shopper starts the delivery. To cancel an order before it's processed, go ahead and open the Instacart app or visit their website. Go to your orders tab and select the order you want to cancel. Look for the cancel order button and confirm the cancellation when prompted, and you're done. This will usually result in a full refund. If your order is already being processed by the shopper, you can still cancel it, but you'll need to act fast. Open the Instacart app or website, head over into the orders tab, tap the orders you want to cancel, and if cancellation is possible, you'll see the cancel order option. Tap it to proceed. Keep in mind that once your shopper has started shopping, they might have already purchased some items, and Instacart may not refund you for items already bought. What if you can't cancel your order before the shopper starts or after it's delivered? Don't worry, you can still request a refund if something goes wrong. So to do that, head over into the orders tab, select the order you want to refund for, tap the help or report a problem button, and choose the issue you're experiencing, whether it's a missing item, wrong item, or if the order didn't meet your expectations. Follow the steps to submit your refund request. Instacart may offer a refund or store credit based on the nature of the issue. And that's it. Canceling an Instacart order and getting a refund is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Remember, acting quickly gives you the best chance to get a full refund. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.